Hi,
Good to see you.
viewers. On June 29, 2020, we broadcasted this episode right after the first lockdown. The first Malaysian lockdown. After 4 months, we opened up. Alicia and I decided to hit the KL city and see how the pandemic has changed the world. If you haven't watched this episode, you should go watch it, where we did street photography together. And looking back, we were all naive. We thought that that would be the last lockdown and there's light at the end of the tunnel. That's it. The COVID is going to go away. 1 year and 4 months later, today is the 9th of September 2021, where the daily new cases in Malaysia is still 17,000 new cases per day. And the Malaysian government just announced 2 days ago that today onwards, photographers are allowed to take photos outside or in studio. Wow, we have been locked down with no ability to take photos for what, 3 to 4 months now?
Yeah, I think more.
Right. Emma and I are in the right smack in the heart of KL now, KLCT. That's KLCC Surya. On a normal day, before the pandemic, it's filled with people. You see people jogging here. I will not be able to stand here and talk. People will look at me like, "Oi, don't stand in the middle of this." So Emma, this is what we're going to do in this episode, right? We're going to go into KLCC. We're going to have 2 missions. We're going to shoot around KL City as well.
Okay.
We're going to have 2 missions. Mission number 1 is I'm going to take a photo of you. I'm going to take 2 photos every time. One, where I shoot it with the rules of arts of seeing. You see, when you're a photographer, you adhere to a certain rules. There are 40 rules that I can follow. You know, rule of thirds, golden points, odd, silhouette, reflection and stuff like that. And then I'm going to take another shot as if I just got my camera. I'll try my best not to think like a photographer. I'll try to think like I just get the camera, I just point and shoot because you asked me to shoot a photo. And then we're going to let the viewers, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go through the photo and compare and tell us which one you think is nicer. The one that's shot with Emma and I using the rules of arts of seeing, or the one without. That's the first mission. The
Okay.
second one, we're going to go around seeing how pandemic has changed KL. You know, we cannot even go in there unless we can prove that we have taken both our doses of vaccination. And I have. So that's what's going to happen. They are going to look at our app as well to make sure that we have no close contact to anyone that has COVID. I mean, look at this. This has changed our life a lot. And I know that there are a lot of stores in there that cannot open. Let's go in and find out. Wait, shooting photos in a shopping mall? Won't the security kick you out? Is Andrew special?
Hello, sir. No photos here.
Nope, I'm not special. The security turned up and stopped us and escorted us to the security office where we were interrogated.
You guys are photo shoot at the golf center,
I'm a
right?
teacher.
Do you have an email to us?
No, I didn't email you.
You must.
You must be thinking like, Andrew, you're an idiot. Why didn't you get permit earlier? Well, here's the thing. In 2019, we shot a whole episode of YouTube tutorial in the same mall and nothing happened. In fact, the security guard was happy to see us. But we didn't launch that episode because COVID happened just right after that. We felt it was not appropriate to launch it back then with a crowded mall with no mask. We'll be launching that episode soon entitled How to Shoot Nice Portraits in a Shopping Mall. So viewers, long story short, we got kicked out and not allowed to shoot in KLCC Mall. But I want you to continue watching this video. At the end, we show you the behind the scene of how we handle the security offers. There is so much to learn from this. You know, I see a lot of stores like this. You're not sure whether they're open or closed. Look at this one.
It's half open.
I think the business logic that some of the owners have is that if you open up, you're not going to be able to break even as well.
Yeah.
So might as well not open, because that way you may not need to incur so much of cost like electricity and all that, paying for your daily employees.
Yes.
Hi, are y'all open? No?
Oh,
Closed. And what do you do?
oh,
Sorry?
restaurant.
Oh, okay. So you're open for the restaurant, not the gym, right? So you can eat and get fat but not lose weight, right? Okay, got you. And then Emma, I see this a lot, where stores plan to take up an outlet and plan to renovate it and open up, and then the lockdown comes. They're just not sure what they're gonna do. I'm not sure whether the mall is still charging them, saying that, oh, I don't care, you're gonna pay.
I think
Right?
so.
You think so?
I think so.
I always wonder whether the malls are more forgiving. I'm trying to see how I can shoot Emma's photo with her just sitting down there at the closed entrance of H&M. I can already see that the weird posing on the lake. She's sitting in the center. Ideally, as a photographer, as a portrait photographer, I would probably have her standing up on the right hand side. Someone just turned on the lamp to tell you that, hey, we are open for business.
The door is open.
The door is open. Yeah, they have not had a walk-in customer for so long, so I'm gonna shoot this as it is. Yeah, tell me what you think. This is the one that I thought that I put in all the rules that I know.
It still look pretty normal.
Yeah, I agree with you. You know why? The one thing that I learned was that she chose the locations. She sat down here. No, true. In an actual shoot, I wouldn't let my subject choose the location. I wouldn't do this. I would get you up there with the backlight from the sun kissing your hair. Let me show you what I would do.
Okay.
Viewers and Yi Chong, I want to pick your brain. How are we going to take a shot of this without using the rules? Okay, you can see that the ledge there, the concrete ledge there,
Okay.
and you can see that the sun is coming from behind it. So what I want you to do is just jump on that ledge, sit there. I'm
Okay.
going to do a backlight shot with the sun coming from the back. And then I'm going to think like a non-photographer to shoot where the sun is shining on your face. Right? Let's see what it turns out.
Okay.
This is how it looks like. Yeah. Washed out, there's a flare. So if I darken the shutter speed, increase the shutter speed by 2 stop and take a shot, you're gonna look completely underexposed. So how do you do this? Let's still have the sun at its full glory and fire a flash on her. So I'm gonna install a hot shoe flash, point it here. Are you open? Yeah. Can we walk past? Yes. Can, huh? This is Mandarin Oriental. Walkway used to be so beautifully lit with the chandelier light. Now Emma has to turn on torchlight. We look like we are entering and you know, like a hidden pathway of the pyramid.
Ah, here we are.
2, and go. So I noticed there's a pattern, a geodesic pattern behind here. So we're gonna get Emma to stand here. I'm gonna be here. And whenever you see patterns, it's always good to include it in your background. Oh, there's one more thing about space. Looking space, where the subject's face is facing. Let me take a shot now and show you.
Oh my god, the beers! Can you take a photo of me?
With De Beers as your background.
Yes.
Why you want to do that?
Because it's a diamond. Every girls love diamond.
Okay. This is something that I see a lot. I want you to stand here, do the favorite pose that you want. And this is where if you don't follow the rules, you're gonna get photos that will look... Let me take a photo that doesn't follow the rules and show you. So I'm not gonna use a flash, I'm gonna point it backward, and so the beers you want. The tricks that I use when requested to shoot a bright billboard like that at the back, I will do two things. I'll blur the background decently, and at the same time, I'll fire a bit of a flash because the billboards at the back will typically be too bright. And this is what you'll get. Don't have the background too sharp, it'll be just too distracting. Right, what do you think?
Wait a minute. Why is the De Beers so blur?
Why would you want the De Beers sharp? Okay, I tell you what, you stand here, let me just shoot De Beers for you sharp as you want it. You happy now? There you go. Take a photo, it lasts longer. Unbelievable fangirls. Oh hey viewers, there's a part 2 to this video, which I will be broadcasting in my premium courses in my e-learning website here. I will go through with you step by step how I set up my camera and how I take these shots for all the photos that you see in this video. So please support my effort with the new promo price so that we can continue making videos like this.
Hey, thank you for watching and don't forget to share and please subscribe to our channel.
And subscribers and viewers, one more thing. I want you to head on to our community section and do a vote. I want to find out photos that follow rules. Do they look nicer as compared to photos that I purposely shot not following rules? I like to hear your opinion and see your vote. So like Emma said, please subscribe so that we can continue making YouTube videos like this, and also head on to my e-learning website. I love to get your support on subscribing to my e-learning, my all access account, and also my premium courses, and coincidentally both of them are having a promo. This is a year's subscription. Check out the price. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Hang on, I just realized that my flash is not strong enough.
I hope you don't see my pants.
No, why would I want to do that? I don't believe the things you say in camera that I do. Right? Don't worry, I look stupid on the floor. That's beautiful. Yeah, this is what my mother would probably shoot. Why are you nodding the head? She watches our episode. She's gonna go like, I hate that girl, Emma. She agrees. Mom, if you're watching this, your photos are not as bad as hers. Emma, are you scared?
No,
Then why are you at the back?
I'm wearing high heels.
This looks like those movies where you're trying to do a heist. And then this is the back alley of the casino.
You had the photo shoot at the golf center,
I'm
right?
a teacher.
Do you have an email to us?
No, I didn't email you.
You must.
Okay.
You must.
Okay.
And
So-
then for the photo shoot is under my PR communications.
So if I ask my office people to send now, possible? Sempat Okay. Nama saya Andrew. Saya juru fotografi teacher. So I plan to do some shoot. So we are not allowed to shoot here. But the good part is I can email her and then she will ask her boss because it's under Petronas, so she needs to get approval. So we have to go outside the mall. And then we found out that it belongs to Petronas too.
Why didn't you get permit earlier?
I get permit. That's your job, right? Yeah.
Why?
That's your job. I'm the photographer.